If you sell on Amazon and want to learn how to effectively analyze and optimize your PPC campaigns for maximum profitability, then keep watching this video because I'm going to be giving you some of the top key features of the Sellerboard PPC Dashboard and showing you some of the best strategies for optimizing your campaigns. Did you know the average Amazon seller's total spend on ads is 22% of their total revenue? On average, this is a 4.5 return on ad spend, which means that advertising on Amazon is still one of the most profitable forms of e-commerce advertising. In other words, it's worth the time to figure out how to dial in your Amazon PPC campaigns to make sure they're working as best as possible for you. In the Sellerboard PPC Dashboard, you have several powerful tools at your disposal. We're about to take a closer look at what you can do with it and how its features can help you achieve your advertising goals. But before we jump into the video, let me first start by telling you who I am in 45 seconds and how we can help you scale your Amazon business. All right, so real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Ian Smith and I run an Amazon creative agency called Evolve Media Agency. At EMA, we completely revamp Amazon listings by doing top-tier product photo and video shoots that greatly increase PPC ad performance by boosting the product detail page's conversion rate. We write listing copy, create user-generated content, and create video ads for Amazon PPC and TikTok. We also build out brand story sections, Amazon storefronts, and create off-Amazon marketing funnels. If you want free access to our Amazon listing checklist, go to amzchecklist.com. And if you want to view our pricing, portfolio, and get a free listing audit, then book a free consulting call by going to amzchecklist.com. So now let's carry on with the video. Now, even though Sellerboard did sponsor this video, it doesn't mean that I'm blowing smoke. I truly believe that they have a very legit and awesome PPC management tool, and they want to make it really easy and almost a no-brainer for you to give it a try. So they're going to give you 2 months free if you sign up for their tool using the link evolvelinks.com/Sellerboard. If you go to that link and you sign up, you can get 2 free months. Their regular trial is like 1 free month, but using this link, you get 2 free months. So if you like what you see in this video and you want to give them a try, again, evolvelinks.com/Sellerboard. All right, so let's start off with analyzing the profitability of your PPC campaigns. Sellerboard allows you to dive deep into each campaign, ad group, and keyword to understand the monetary returns on specific campaigns. By analyzing the profit by campaign, ad group, and keyword, you can gain valuable insights into the performance of different elements within your advertising strategy. Next, you have the option to optimize your bids manually based on Sellerboard's recommendations. The tool also suggests target bids for each keyword based on your goals. By adjusting your bids accordingly, you can improve the effectiveness of your PPC campaigns and maximize your profitability. But here's the best part. You can also automate the bid optimization process. By enabling automation, Sellerboard will continuously adjust your bids to align with your profitability goals. This automation feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that your bids are always optimized for maximum performance. Now, let's take a detailed tour of the PPC dashboard and understand how each section can provide valuable insights for your campaigns. At the top, you'll find a chart displaying the performance of your PPC campaigns over the last 30 days. This chart allows you to customize the date range and apply filters to focus on specific campaigns, products, or marketplaces. By default, the chart shows ad spend and profit per day, but you can choose different key performance indicators, KPIs, to analyze based on your preferences. Moving to the right, you'll find additional statistics that provide a comprehensive overview of your campaigns. These stats include PPC sales, orders, fees, and profit. It's important to note that the profit displayed is an estimation. Amazon's API and Seller Central provide limited data on specific product sales, so Sellerboard uses an algorithm to estimate the profit based on certain ratios and other available data. In the detailed view, you can explore campaign, keyword, and ad group specific data. This allows you to analyze the performance of individual elements within your campaigns. You'll find detailed breakdowns of sales, ad spend, and profit, along with other relevant metrics such as clicks and cost per click, or CPC. Based on your goals, you can optimize your bids to achieve specific outcomes. You have a few options here that you need to consider. If you're launching a new product, you might want to consider on boosting organic sales initially, even if it means being temporarily unprofitable. However, once your product is established, you can aim for profitability or even break even on your PPC campaigns. So you can really customize your approach based on your goals. That's why it's so important to make sure you're fully utilizing the PPC dashboard. Sellerboard is a really powerful tool that can help you make data-driven decisions and enhance your PPC campaigns. Well, that wraps up my comprehensive guide to using the PPC dashboard in Sellerboard. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget, at EMA, we can help you significantly boost the conversion rate of your product detail page to give your PPC campaigns the highest profitability. You can view our pricing, portfolio, and get a free listing audit by going to emaamz.com. Also, you can get our free Amazon listing checklist by going to amzchecklist.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.